Hi, I'm Bob with Premier Water Cleaning Systems, your source for solar panel cleaning equipment. Today I'm going to talk about DI tanks. For cleaning solar panels, the best thing to do is to clean them with spot-free water. There's basically three ways to do that. You can use a reverse osmosis system. You can use a chemical to help prevent that, or you can use DI tanks like this. The advantage of the DI tanks is that they're fairly cheap up front, but you have to continuously exchange the media when it gets used up. The advantage of the RO system, or reverse osmosis, is that it costs a lot up front, but it makes pretty much as much water as you want, and all you gotta do is some maintenance to the pre-filters. But on the DI tanks, this is a typical setup of what we provide. Basically, we set them up in a series like this so that you can get more water out of each tank. If you do just a single tank, at 2.5 gallons a minute, this tank, when it's fresh, will clean the water great. As it gets diminished in capacity, it will eventually start leaking enough contaminants through that it will start spotting again. But you haven't used up all the capacity in it. So when we set them up in series like this, the first one pretty much takes everything out, and then this polishes it off. So by the time you're getting a little bit of, getting hard water out this side, this is completely depleted and time to be changed. And so you would exchange this one out, move this one to the front, and put a new one as a polishing. And that gets the most bang for your buck as far as that media that you have to change so often. This system also comes with a TDS meter, the DM2. It's battery operated, so it can be on a trailer, in a van or whatever, mobile. And it tells you the TDS, so the incoming water and the outgoing water, so you can see both how clean or how bad the water is that you're trying to filter, and you can see how well the total filter system is doing. So when you start seeing some contaminants coming out the side, even before it's spotting, if you check it on a regular basis, you will know when to change out the tank. There are 3 different sizes of these tanks. This is the smallest set. Obviously, you could do single tanks if you want. This is a 1 cubic foot tank, and it's 9 inches by 44 inches tall. There is a 2.5 cubic foot tank, and then a 3.5 cubic foot tank. They're quite a bit bigger around. They're not much taller, and they all hook up the same way. And for this usage, usually we use 3/4 inch inlet and outlet. The thing with the big 3.5 gallon tank or cubic foot tank is that it's extremely heavy. So you gotta have a way to get it on. And if you're putting these on a trailer, you need a way to strap them down so they don't topple over. But this gives you no minerals in your water, no spots, very clean solar panels, and a great way to go. Have a great day.